I think I'm recording. Alright, YouTubers, it's windy and cold. What you expect, man? This is Connecticut. Okay, this is the first test on the Visuo first test after it's been upgraded. So this is not going to be a long test because it is too cold and it's too windy. Actually, this was supposed to be a range test because I upgraded the antenna, but this is not going to be a range test because it's just too cold. This is going to be more like a wind test. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm already connected. Alright, I just got a beep, I think that is telling me that I already got enough satellite. Well, let's calibrate this thing right here. Okay, let's do the GPS dance. Okay, I heard that beat. That means that's good. I heard a lot of beats. Okay. Pull up the map. Okay, that's good. Okay. Let's see how she. Oh, let's start the video. I always forget to do that part. Oh, come on. This is video. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's see some range. That's what we... You can see the wind is fine. Let's pick up the speed. Now, the last video I did, I had this thing in rate 1 all the way. Right now it's in 2. That's it. Now I'm in 3. As far as range, I mean, this thing is out there and I'm in full control. Not doing bad. Wow. There's some strong wind out here. Yep, GPS lock. That's what I paid that money for. Let's get some height. The wind is just too much. But my baby, she's fighting the wind. Look at her fly. Whoa, the wind is taking this. See that? Just that little crashing. Thing is already out of whack. Look at that baby fighting the wind. Well, she had a little crash and she's back up running. I guess she's not really that bad. It's hard to do stunts in the wind because when you got it lined up right, you know, then the wind just blow it in a different direction. Now, let's try it. It is cold out here. So I'm doing the orbiting. So it backs off, it turns around, and that's gonna be a small orbit. Go that way. Oh. The battery is low. It's in the red. I think she's landing. Yep, come on down, don't go up. Yeah, come on down. I don't want you to go up near those trees. Come on down and land. Yeah. Land. That's what I want you to do. Whoa! It is cold out here. And that's it. That's all she wrote. It is just too cold out here. And too windy. But I had to test my antenna. As I said, I didn't do a range test, but the way how it performs tells me that I did the job right. If the antenna was not connected good enough, if I had shorted it out or it wasn't connected right, I wouldn't have had that control. You know, it wouldn't have performed like that. So okay, so most likely things are I've done it right. All right.